A great physicist of this century, P.A.M. Dirac, loves playing with numerical values of fundamental constants of nature. This led to him to an interesting observation. Dirac found that from the basic constants of atomic physics, C, E, mass of electron, mass of proton, and gravitational constant, he could arrive at a number with the dimension of time. Further, it was a very large number, its magnitude being close to the present estimate on the age of universe, that is 15 billion years. From the table of fundamental constants in this book, try to see if you can construct the number or any other interesting number you can think of. If its coincidence with the age of universe were significant, what would you imply for the consistency of fundamental constants? This is the equation that we could arrive from, and this above equation consists of basic constants and atomic physics and the gravitational constant g, which has the dimension of time altogether. Here, E is the charge of electron and epsilon naught is absolute permittivity, and their values are as followings. And Mp, that is mass of proton, and Me, that is mass of electron, and c is the speed of light in vacuum, and g is the universal gravitational constant. Considering t as the age of universe and putting the values of the constants, we get time is approximately 6 into 10 to the power 9 years. The age of the universe, that is approximately 6 billion years.